All this laughter is Asher laughing at Jack after his sweet potatoes.
Wee, Asher!
Hop up. He wants you to hop up.
But
He wants you to get on the stool.
he wants me. I put it there so I can climb on that chair because you're done.
He wants you to get on the stool, though. That makes him laugh. Hop on the stool, and then you can sit back down. Look. I don't know what it is. And then Leo's just hanging out observing.
Can you get me another card?
Hop down and get it. Go get it.
Yes. Look.
I guess it's funny. Is your brother a funny guy?